Hi, I'm Gisella. Early this year, I signed up for some MAP sessions with Bings because I felt I needed help with resolving this chronic pain and feelings of depression. I came into my first MAP session feeling pretty negative and hopeless about my chronic pain, and also thinking that life is unfair and that the world is out to get me. The MAP session created an ultra-safe space for me to heal and release my negative emotions without having to stress about participating too much actively in the whole process. I loved how I could step aside and let my superconscious do all the work. It was a welcome break for my cluttered mind. I felt super relaxed after the whole session. My mind became clear and all the negative emotions seemed to disappear. Not only do I not feel that helpless and depressed about the pain anymore, in fact, I feel so much hopeful. I started feeling more grateful for the loving support my family has given me, rather than feel guilty about being a burden. The pain also feels lighter in intensity and doesn't bother me as much as before. To me, this is an amazing result. Because I'm a thinker and worrier, and to feel this kind of lightness in my brain really feels refreshing and uplifting. I've never felt so happy and empowered after a healing session before, and it feels so magical. I feel really thankful for being able to experience MAP. Thank you, Bings, for being so patient and non-judgmental throughout the whole session. She was really helpful in helping me feel safe and for helping me opening up more easily. I'm definitely looking forward to having more sessions with her so that I can completely eradicate my chronic pain and also to heal my feelings of depression. I'm feeling really positive about this and I have already signed up for more sessions of this magical experience.